Hi, this is Vicky. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn to say words with TH sound. This will include the words the, this, that, and then. Words with TH can be hard to pronounce for English learners, so it's important to practice them. As I can't hear you saying the words to guide you better, watch this as many times as you need. You can also record yourself to hear if it sounds similar to what I'm saying. Here's a tip. When pronouncing TH, put your tongue out a little bit between your teeth and let your teeth touch the tongue. Then as you're saying the word, release it. The, that, this. Hope that helps. Today we'll be doing a lot of practice, so hopefully you'll notice a big difference by the end of the lesson. Also, write the words and sentences in your English notebook. Writing helps you to remember. Okay, ready? Let's go. Repeat the words and the sentences. The dog is black. The dog barks loud. The dog is tired. The sun is hot. The sky is blue. The flowers smell nice. Where is the cake? The cake tastes sweet. I like the birthday party. Here is the new book. The book has pictures. I like the story. This is my cat. This cat is soft. This is the cat's food. I love this flower. This flower is pink. This is our garden. This is my friend. This is my bike. She can play with this toy. This cake is delicious. This toy is for you. Do you like this toy? That is my cat. That cat is soft. That is the cat's food. I love that flower. That flower is pink. That is our garden. That cake is delicious. That toy is for you. Do you like that toy? That dog is black. That dog barks loud. That dog is tired. Then we ate cake. Then I went home. Then I watched a movie. Then it was dark. Then it rained hard. Then I got scared. Then it was late. Then the phone rang. Then I answered the phone. Then I didn't hear anything. Then my friend said hello. Then I laughed. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Watch as many times as you need to, and keep repeating the sentences. If you have a question, write it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer you. Thank you for practicing with me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. To view my other videos, hit my channel name, Visionary Vicky, then hit videos. Also, sometimes I put links in the description, so see the descriptions. There are many stories to listen to and words to practice. Okay, see you soon. Bye-bye.